everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Tuesday, June 24th, and as always, we're open until 7 o'clock on Tuesdays. I know it is 5 months and 1 day from Christmas, but it is so hot here and in lots of other places in the country that we thought we would give you a lot of Christmas fabrics today. Maybe to make you feel a little cooler or give you another time to think of. So we're starting with Santa's Tree Farm. Santa's Tree Farm depicts a picture-perfect Christmas. Grab a mug of cocoa as you peruse the main and coordinating prints of snowy scenes, woodland creatures, and plaids. The cozy palette of snowy green, forest green, and Rudolph red will have you dreaming of a white Christmas and all kinds of project plans for those wintry days ahead. And this is by Lisa Audit for Riley Blake. This is a terrific kit. It makes this great panel quilt. And we have just, I believe, 10 of them, and they went out in yesterday's newsletter. So if you want to grab one of these kits, you're going to have to move fast. But the nice thing is these pieces are that panel I just showed you. So all you really have to piece are the trees, add a couple of borders, and you have a stunning Christmas quilt. And then these are the pieces of fabric from that collection. Look at that cute bunny. So we have a colorful, and then here's just a snowy scene. And then plaids are definitely going to be part of this season's collections. So we've got plaids in 3 colors. Very nice. And then we have a couple more collections to share with you. So the next one is called Santa's Workshop, and here is the panel for it. Intricate details and a touch of nostalgia will create holiday projects that are sure to evoke memories of Christmas past. Santa, Mrs. Claus, snowmen, reindeer, and wooden toys appear in varied design layouts, giving you a plethora of project possibilities. And this is by Morris Creative Group for QT Fabrics. And this is the one fabric that I chose to go with that panel. It's kind of fun. There's lots of different things on it to find. It'll be an interesting holiday I Spy. And then finally, we have one more panel to share with you. This is called Holly Jolly. Oh, I may have gotten those backwards. Yeah, I think I did. Vintage Christmas Ephemera tells a story of holiday celebrations from days gone by. Yeah, that's not the right one. So this is Santa's Workshop, and how cute is that with all the reindeer? Lori, our inventory manager, said it looked like mugshots, but we're gonna say it just looks like, you know, the way reindeer take pictures maybe. And then these are the pieces that go along with that group. Lots of really nice deep saturated color. And that is Morris Creative Group as well. So both of the last 2 collections are by Morris Creative Group for QT Fabrics. And that's what we have for you today. Again, just a reminder, we are still taking donations for comfort cases, and we will be drawing a winner of a whole bolt of Moda Grunge fabric. And we also are still running our Show Us Your By Annie promo, and all you have to do is upload a picture of By Annie to Facebook or Instagram, not of By Annie, but of a project that you made with a By Annie pattern, and that will enter you into the running for a free By Annie pattern with free shipping from the shop. So I'll put the descriptions of both of those, or all the details of both of those programs, in the description of today's video, so you can go online and learn all the things you need to do to get entered to win. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.